Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the email notifications on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen and new. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner. Go to the settings and privacy section, and in the how you use Instagram section you can find the first option, the notifications. And in the auto notification type section you can find the email notification section, and here you can set the feedback emails, reminder emails, product emails, news emails, or support emails notifications. And if the circle is blue, the notifications is enabled, and if the circle is white, is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.